We hear this term milestone in many conversations. In the project management world, a milestone is a significant event. But where is this term coming from? Milestones were probably used first by the Roman armies to track how far they have traveled. These used to be stones placed beside the road at every mile. In today's world, the milestones are still used, but they may be called mile markers or road markers or some other name. We see these on the side or on the median at regular intervals. Next time you are on a highway, watch for these markers. They will have numbers on them. Now, no one ever says, I have completed 20% of the milestone. Either milestone has been achieved or not, completed or not, yes or no, 0 or 1. This is important to understand as we use this concept of milestone in our project schedules. Project milestones are either complete or incomplete, but never some percent complete. Of course, the project team will do work to get to and achieve a milestone, but milestone itself does not take any work. The team can say they have completed 70% work to achieve a milestone, but the milestone itself is not done. That is why milestones are always identified with 0 duration. And since they have 0 duration, resources are never assigned to milestones. Sometimes a milestone list or milestone report is also created by the project manager to share with stakeholders, especially those stakeholders who are not interested in the status of detailed activities. Milestones may be mandatory or optional. Sometimes the contract requires certain milestones to be inserted into the schedule, probably because the buyer is tracking those milestones for internal reporting. I have created milestones that we called billing milestones. These were required by our internal project management office when we were working on clients' projects. Each billing milestone was linked with invoicing the client. As soon as I invoiced the client after completing certain deliverables, I called the milestone complete. The PMO tracked these milestones for hundreds of projects. This was important for my organization because on-time payment of invoices by buyers or clients was needed for cash flow reasons. Similarly, a milestone may be created because it is recommended based on previous experience or because the project manager feels more control over tracking the completion of work.